Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share how I clean and organize my fridge. So let's get started. You can see my fridge is all messed up now. I have no idea what is inside my fridge. So I always clean before my vegetable shopping, that is once a week. In that way, I keep a track on expiry dates, rotten veggies, etc. So first step is emptying the fridge by removing all the contents from the main door and door shelves and keep them nearby. I clean my freezer at the end so that the contents remain cold for long. You can see this was all inside my fridge. For cleaning, I am using a DIY homemade solution, that is vinegar, soda and water. It works best for me. Now using a microfiber cloth, I am going to clean the door shelves and the trays. Some mangoes left in my fridge. I am going to take out and clean the topmost tray using the same solution. Here I am going to take out vegetables compartment and doing the same drill. My fridge is all clean. Now I am going to place all my door shelves back. Now I am going to clean vegetables compartment box. First I am going to take out all the vegetables out and using the same microfiber cloth I am going to clean it. You can see all the crumbles of vegetables in this box, which is very difficult to clean sometimes. So I am going to use a self liner to protect this box. Now it's time to rearrange all the vegetables and remove the spoiled ones. Time to keep all the contents back in the fridge. I am using a self liner for the top and the bottom shelves where I keep my leftover food and few vegetables like ginger, lemon and green chilies. Self liner are very easy to clean and protects your fridge from spills. Now the fridge is all arranged. You can see there is an empty shelf where I will put my fruits after I purchase them. I have kept a lemon slice. It helps in removing false smell. In my first shelf, I have kept my green chilies, curd, ginger and lemon and coriander leaves. This is the most coldest part, so my veggies and curd remain fresh. Third shelf, I have all my dairy products in one organizer and sauces and bread spread in another. This way my fridge looks more organized. On the last shelves, I have freshly chopped salads and here all my leftover food. In my veggies compartment, I have used net vegetable organizer. This way my veggies remain fresh. In this box I have spinach and I have used self liner to protect my box from spilling. On the door shelves I have eggs. Second is empty for refillment. Third and fourth contains my dates, some chocolates, mithai maize, some sauce sachets used while I am traveling. Bottom shelf has my milk bottle, some juices and water bottle. I have kept my mangoes on the top. In the freezer section, there was nothing much to be done. I have kept my salami, some ready to make chicken pops, some frozen chicken, ice creams, and a water bottle because it's burning in Delhi and chilled water is heaven. And as you can see, my kitchen is also clean. And what next? Time to light some aroma candles and enjoy my evening cup of tea. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for my latest update and notification. Thank you for watching and see you next time.